Hello fellow soap makers, and welcome to this week's melt and pour recipe. This week's recipe involves cylindrical layering and shows the possibilities of working with melt and pour within a round mold. This is something that we did not cover in the advanced melt and pour course. We will look at a quick concept of monochrome layering and start with black flour for our black color, followed by white pearl for white. We will get our crafting board ready by giving it a quick wipe and dry using a kitchen towel. It is important when doing soap to have a kitchen towel next to you. You can use a damp towel and place it underneath the board to stop it from sliding. For this example, we will use this cylindrical baking mold. However, we will not use the entire mold. Instead, we will cut two separate molds and also use them for our next recipe. Now that is done, we will now bring our low viscosity clear melt and pour. Note how hot these are. The molds can withstand high temperatures, so we don't need to worry about distortion. We will add our white pearl color and give it a good stir. Leave the white to settle and continue with the black flour. And do the same with our black. Allow both colors to cool down and reach a medium to high viscosity. In the meantime, we will bring our molds and our scale. And do even pours of around 30 grams. Allow to cool down and repeat building up the layers. With the other mold, we will start with the opposite color and continue to build the layers in the same way. The process itself is easy to follow, however. Maintaining the quantity can be tricky when working with high viscosity melt and pour. Due to the molds being separated, there is air coming from all directions, allowing the layers to cool down a lot faster. We will top up the remaining amount with how much is needed and allow these to fully cool down. If using low viscosity melt and pour, you can create a total of 10 grams layers within 100 grams. The shorter the layer, the faster it will cool down. Now that we are done with our layering, it is time to do our unmolding. Wow, as you can see, the clear, almost glass-looking shine comes solely from the clear melt and pour. You can even stack these up and make a really cool soap tube. Now we would like to add some color and offset the monochrome. Green works really well with black and white. You can apply these by heating the surface a little, just like in the previous video. Now they look really cool. If you've enjoyed the video and you like the idea, please consider giving the video a thumbs up and subscribe. As always, thank you for watching and see you next time.